This is the 3D Viewmaster adventure Terrahawks by Gerry Anderson. The Earth year is 2020. Alien spaceships approach the planet Mars. The androids have journeyed from the planet Gug in the galaxy of Alpha Centauri, and now their witch-like commander Zelda sets up her base on Mars and lays her plans for the invasion of Earth and the destruction of the human race. Alerted by the first alien attack in 2017, the UN High Command appointed Dr. Tiger Ninestein to devise and establish an elite international fighting force to defend the world against the unknown aggressors. This small dedicated team is called the Terrahawks. From their secret base somewhere in South America, they develop their sophisticated weaponry and prepare for the battles to come. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. The Battlehawk has dropped the battle tank. Picture 2. The Terrahawk nerve center of Dr. Ninestein's fighting force. Picture 3. Dr. Tiger Ninestein and Mary Falconer. Picture 4. The Terrahawk is landing. Picture 5. Helijet. Picture 6. Spheroids in the desert. Picture 7. Zelda, commander of the aliens, with young star and Psi star. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Dr. Ninestein meets Zelda and Psi star. Picture 9. Zelda's spaceship hub. Picture 10. SRAM roaring. Picture 11. SRAM in trouble in the Overlander. Picture 12. Hudson, the intelligent Rolls-Royce in action. Picture 13. Kate Kestrel in the Rolls-Royce. Picture 14. Police patrol. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. The Hawking is a deadly fighter aircraft. Picture 16. Kate in command of the Hawking. Picture 17. Kate Kestrel likes music and singing. Picture 18. Hawkeye is being launched. Picture 19. The Hawkwing approaches the mountain retreat. Picture 20. Kate, Hyro and Sergeant Major Zero in the control room. Picture 21. The Battlehawk has landed. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.